fantastic. Don't blame you there at all.
No, and, you know, for what you do, you probably, if you wanted to, every now and then pick up a little side job or.
Yeah, I've actually got somebody that wants to run this equipment, so I'll see what happens. You know, I've been in business with this for about 11 years, but before this, I was at U.S. Steel. I was over the whole structural program there in E-Clerks. So my guys and me inspected anything from the buildings to piping to the 400-ton cranes, everything, all their machinery and everything like that. So it's kind of how I got into this. I had about 14 years of 3D design, which I was designing piping and all that stuff. And my buddies, while I was at U.S. Steel, my buddies like, "Wow, man, it seems like you're out of work a lot because somebody in the company does something wrong and they throw the whole company out, you know, and go home for 30 days. We'll let you know if you can come back." You know, all that shit. Yeah, right. They don't care. And so he said, "Well, man, you got this background of all this stuff." He says, "I'm the #1 rep in the state of Michigan for rigid tool. I'll give you the stuff to use, and when you bring somebody on, then you're going to have to buy it." Well, about a year later, somebody broke into one of their trucks and stole $80,000 worth of equipment. And they said, "Okay, we want all the equipment. We're going to tag it. We want to know where it's at." And then I had to either stop or buy it. So I bought all the equipment.